Another question I've been getting a lot lately is why flex or industrial space is at an all-time premium across America right now, specifically in Michigan. Between the expansion of advanced engineering firms, your electronic vehicle technology, robotics suppliers in Southeast Michigan, high-tech industrial space is just incredibly tight right now. You know, if a company needs 10,000 to 50,000 square feet, what is the reality of the market? So vacancy right now is near zero. It's in the low single digits. Class A industrial vacancy on the M59 75 corridor, you're looking at under 3% entering 2026. So a company searching for 10 to 50,000 square feet with, let's just say, 20-foot clear heights, three-phase power, truck wells, drive-ins. You're looking at one, maybe two options at a time right now. Macomb County has 30,000 robotics and automation jobs, 253% above the national average, just to show you how hot Michigan is right now. Oakland County's automation is number 2 advanced manufacturing corridor in the nation. The demand is specialized in flex lab space near Auburn Hills. You've got Stellantis, tier 1 suppliers, and it's structural, it's not cyclical. So triple net spaces are commanding anywhere from $14 to $18 per square foot with nets. Another thing that's driving prices historically high right now is the tariff effect on new construction. So your price of lumber, steel, HVAC have raised astronomically. So you're looking at anywhere from $200 to $280 a square foot currently to build new construction. And at current cap rates, developers cannot pencil new flex projects economically. So meaning the existing supply is going to continue to tighten further as demand grows. So any company needing 10 to 50,000 square foot, really any criteria, you're going to need a qualified commercial real estate broker, and you're going to want a game plan about a year ahead of time. We have off-market deals, we have direct owner outreach, sublease opportunities. You need to reach out way ahead of time, even further than you think, and I'm happy to help. Reach out anytime.